Okay, so I figured out what was going wrong here. So this one here, when you type in pi, it wants a bracket next to pi with nothing inside it. So that's why it wasn't liking what I was doing. So this, if you look at this code now, that's the correct code that should be put in there. Remember, if you have trouble with Excel, you just Google Excel. Okay, so now I've clicked that, I can drag down that function type and it will give me a whole heap of values there. So you can see this one and this one are the ones that I use to fit the model. That's why they're exact. Whereas these other ones are giving me estimates. Now, you could plot them next to the other one, see how much of a difference they give you, comment on that difference. You don't have to. More choices that you've got if you need to talk about things. Okay, so the next one, we're going to go, I'm just going to copy this code. I'm going to go over here and paste it in. Now, we said before that this part of it will vanish and the part inside will come to the front here and multiply that. So, bracket, I'll end up with pi on 22 is what's coming to the front. So, pi, double-click it. It wants it to be an empty bracket over 22. Close your bracket. Sign changes into a cos graph, and we're still pulling from the same part. Now, when sign changes to cos, it's positive, so it doesn't change the symbol at the front. So now I'm going to just press enter, and that should be all good. So now you can see that it's predicting that that speed is starting to decrease for this channel, which makes sense because the rate is falling. So I've pulled that code down and I've got all my values. We start to increase again over here at the end. That's something that could be important to note. Okay, next thing we're going to do, we're going to press equals. Actually, I'm going to go back. I'm going to copy this code again. Copy it. Come over here. Paste it in. Now, cos is going to derive to sine, but it changes to minus sign, meaning that this one at the front is going to become positive. Now, this pi on 22 is what gets brought to the front again, so we're just going to raise that to the power of 2 and press enter. So initially, we are starting at, point, whatever. There we go. Drag it down, and now you've got your accelerations for the model. So it's accelerating in this model. Happy days. I'm pretty sure that's correct. Let's just double check against our other formulas first. Squared, sine, good. Okay, and now you've got your tables that you can paste into your assignment.